So we should get AB, length of AB equal to DL, charge of AB equal to DQ. So next step, we should find out DQ. What is a DQ? Charge of AB. So DQ equal to Q by 2 pi A dot DL. You already know what is Q. Q means lambda equal to Q by L and Q by 2 pi A. So DQ means Q 2 pi A dl. What is this dl? Length of AB. What is this dq? Charge of AB. Okay. Then next, find out the magnitude of dE. What is a dE? Derivation of electric field intensity. You already know the expression electric field intensity E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R square. Similarly, here also dE equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. The Q is replaced by dQ because E is replaced by dE. That's why dQ divided by R square. What is the R here? You can to see the diagram. What is the R here? Distance from AB to P. What is this distance from AB to P? D to P. So in this case R equal to dP square. You can clear? I hope you can understand this. We have to consider the distance from, in this case, distance between AB to P. Okay, what is the distance AB to P? We have to call it as dP. So, from this expression, dE equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 dQ. The R is replaced by dP square. Okay. Then we have to consider 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. What is the dQ? dQ you already know. dQ equal to Q by 2 pi A dl. So this dQ we have to replace by Q dl divided by 2 pi A. This dP square is here dot 1 by dP square. In this step we have to replace this dQ. dQ is already we got. So this replaced dQ value. Next step. What is this dP square? What is this dP square? You can to see the diagram. This is a right angle triangle you can to see. What is right angle triangle? DOT. OP is the base of the right angle triangle, that is X. And OD is the perpendicular of the right angle triangle, that is A. So what is a DP from this right angle triangle? Hypotenuse. So by the Pythagoras theorem, DP square equal to, what is the Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras, based on the Pythagoras theorem, perpendicular square plus base square equal to hypotenuse square. That means dP square equal to x square plus a square. Okay, so I just replace this dP square here. dP square equal to a square plus x square. So that means d equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q dl by 2 pi a. 1 by dP square is replaced by 1 by a square plus x square. So we should get electric intensity ka magnitude of the portion of AB because it is considered as D. What is the value of D? AB ka electric intensity ka magnitude mila. Okay? Then I just going to the next step. What is DE? This DE contain two different components. You can to see in the diagram. Where is the DE? DE is a inclined condition. The point P mein dekho. This is the perpendicular Pythagoras theorem based on it is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is DE. This DE is a inclined condition. I am right. Horizontal bhi nahi hai, perpendicular bhi nahi hai. So this type of condition is called as inclined condition. Every inclined line have two components, x components and y component. Similarly, in the DE also have x component DEX and y component DEY. So what is the total DE? Add this x and y components together. But one problem is here. This DEX on the same line of the dipole axis. But what is DEY? DEY in a perpendicular direction of the dipole axis. That's the reason the y component we cannot to consider. Only we wanted in the DEX. So listen here. DE हम लोग को मिला DE equal to, this is the expression. What is a DE? At the point A का electric intensity. This DE is a inclined condition. That means it have a two components dex along the axis of the ring and dey perpendicular to the axis of the ring. That's the reason we only consider dex. Okay, so what is E? Electric intensity. हम लोग को अभी क्या मिला? dex मिला. दिस dex को इंटेग्रेट करो, फुल E मिलेगा. समझ गया ना? नाउ वी हैव टू कंसिडर electric intensity of a small portion AB. That is not our answer. Our answer is total electric intensity of a ring. So how to find out the total electric intensity? That small portion AB का electric intensity को integrate करना. What is this? Symbol of integration. To integrate this DEX, we should get the total electric field intensity E. So what is DEX? DEX equal to DE cos theta. How to get this one? From the diagram you can to see DEX is a X symbol. So that means anything in the X component that is called as cos theta component. Anything in a Y component that is called as sin theta component. That's the reason we have to consider DEX means DE cos theta. So what is the total E? Integral of DEX. That means integral of DE cos theta. What is DE? DE already get it. The value of DE. What is the value of DE? 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q DL divided by 2 pi A dot 1 by A square plus X square. इसके साथ क्या है? Into cos theta also. So next step to find out this cos theta.